Hey guys, working on my Arrma Granite today. In an attempt to save any further abuse on the body and any further shoe glue abuse, I'm gonna install a wing on it. Not crazy about the look of the wing, but I think it adds a lot of function. I see a lot of guys on the internet using them and it doesn't look terrible. Save me from buying a new body anytime soon. See if I can't walk you guys through it. Easy installation. You need a 2.5 mil Allen key and 7/6 M3 by 16 screws and a couple M3 nylock nuts. Here's the part number for the mount itself. Same mount they use on the Outcast 4S, the Typhon, and I think the Creighton. Three screws go in here. Super fine thread. I gotta get myself a battery or a battery screwdriver or cordless screwdriver. Big time. So the 3 screws would join the 2 pieces to one another. Really simple. The rest of the install is simple as well. Remove these 2 screws here through the back of through the tail end of the truck, through the wheelie bar, and we'll eventually let you pivot the wheelie bar down and get rid of that cushion there, that oval looking shaped piece of plastic. I believe that's the cushion. You're going to remove that, and you will not need that as long as you're running the wing. Might want to hang on to it should you want to reinstall, get rid of the wing. And the fast forward isn't fast enough. Alright, this thing's going to drop down any second. Yep, these 2 are at the pivot point of the wheelie bar. Get rid of those 2 and save them because you're going to need them again. The 2 short screws that you just removed will not be used because they are not long enough with the new mount. Okay, cool. Drop it down. 2 more screws to remove that piece. Sorry about the shadows. That big mug's in the way. Yeah, so put this piece aside should you want to get rid of the wing and put that back in. If not, turf it. Alright, 2 screws to remove the body mount, and it'll essentially go right back in its own place. No alteration at all once the wing mount gets installed. Pop. Alright. Screw the mount to the back of the wheelie bar. 2 screws. Easy breezy. And just pivot that mount up and over the shock tower brace, and it clicks in there nicely. Whammo. Okay, cool. Those are the 2 screws then in the pivot point of the wheelie bar that you removed earlier. You need to reuse them. They're long enough. They're going right back in the same spot. I make this look easy, don't I? Except it's like 1 o'clock, so I was ramming through it. Okay, last 2 screws. You removed them earlier as well. Reuse them. Okay. Like I said, the body posts go right back in place. 1 screw on each side. Straightforward. So that's where the nuts go, guys. It's really hard to tell where I pointed that arrow. There's a little pocket, it seats in there, and got to maneuver them in there pretty quick, pretty precisely. Here's the wing off the Outcast 4S. I posted the part number there. Relatively cheap. Again, fine thread screws. Holy cow. That's it. So, like I said, it's late and I hacked a hole in the back of this body. I am going to clean it up because I do need a little more room, but was eager to finish the video. Slam it on. Oh God, that looks terrible. Slam it on there. The body's a mess anyhow.